Namaste, my dear TechOnco family. Welcome back to TechOnco's HackerRank Java Standard Input and Output Part 2. So, in this problem statement, it has stated nothing but you must read three data types, which is integers, double, string from the standard input, and then print according to the values or the instructions in the output format like this. First must be string, double, int, etc. So you may have a basic idea of data types, right? Like the primary data types like integer, float, double, boolean, character, string. Integer is nothing but it doesn't have any decimal points like 1. Okay. Float or double means 1.11 something which is in the points, and character is nothing but A, B, C, individual letters you can assume. Next, string is nothing but a group of characters like your name. My name is Chitra, your name is A, B, C, D, etc. Next, double is true or false or 0 or 1. So in this problem statement, we just have to print integer double string. That's it. We have to get the input and print according to it. So first step is we have to accept the input. Um, let's check the sample input. First must be in integer value. Let's define an integer equal sc dot next int. We are specifying the data type while we are accepting the input. So next is double d equals sc dot next double. Next comes the string s equals sc dot next, not string, it's line. We are going to accept the string, the entire line. We are accepting the entire line as a string. So next we are printing the output. First must be the string as it is, next plus s. So double which variable is d, next int which is I. So this is the this must be our code. Do you think this code will work? This syntax, everything is correct. Do you think it will work? Let's check. It is showing us a error. What error? The string is not accepting. Expected output is this, and we got null value empty set. So why it happened? Because this integer and double function will automatically thinks that, oh, this is an integer, I have to take it, this is a double, I have to take it. But this next line, okay, while we are accepting the s variable, it would the cursor would be in the double line only, in this double variable only. So that's why, what is the solution? We have to again accept the input next line, because the cursor would be in a d variable in the buffer. If we execute this line, the cursor would come in the next line. Okay, In the next line, again we have to read this string. So let's check if it works or not. Yeah, congratulations. You have passed the sample test cases. So it may be any program, any programming language, or any task or a given problem. You have to understand the basic syntax with some logic. You have to build the logic, so it may be useful for your viva interviews, etc., etc. So that's it for today. Let's see you in the next video.